As we approach the holiday season, many of us are preparing to shop for gifts, enjoy family time, and perhaps send money home to loved ones. For Jamaican families, the holidays are particularly meaningful, and the tradition of sending remittances plays a significant role in connecting families both near and far. Welcome to our Financial Fridays. I am your host, Sophia Williams, Business Support Officer with responsibility of VMTS Digital Payment Team and the Money Express location. Today, we are going to explore the importance of remittances during the festive season, as well as tips when receiving and sending money. Let's get started. Before we get started, you might be wondering what we consider remittances to be. Well, remittances are money that people send to their families or friends in another country, usually to help with living expenses or for special occasions. For example, someone working in the US might send money to their family in Jamaica to support them or help pay for things like school fees, groceries, or just for the holidays. The holiday season is always a peak time for remittances, particularly for countries like Jamaica, where a large diaspora is sending money back home to support their families. Remittances to Jamaica often experience a surge during the festive season, as families aim to make the holidays a little brighter for their loved ones. Recent reports from the World Bank shows that the total volume of remittances sent to Jamaica during the holiday period is consistently higher than in other months. In fact, research indicates that Jamaicans abroad send over $2 billion annually, with a significant portion of that being sent during the holiday season. Sending money during the holidays can be stressful, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some practical tips to make sure your remittances get to where it's needed with minimal hassle and fees. First, timing is everything. The earlier you send, the better. Holiday traffics can lead to delays, so make sure to send your remittances well ahead of time to avoid last-minute stress. Secondly, use reliable services. When choosing a reputable and reliable remittance service to ensure that your money arrives safely, it is important to consider trusted providers with a proven track record. VMTS, along with its partners such as MoneyGram, Zoom, Remitly, and Rio, offers such secure and efficient transfer options. These services are known for their reliability, speed, and ensuring that your funds reach the intended recipient quickly and securely, no matter where they are located. Thirdly, consider digital transfer for convenience. Sending money online or via mobile apps can save you time and effort compared to traditional in-person transfers. Fourth, verify recipients' details. Double-check the recipient's details, such as their full name and contact number, to ensure the funds are sent to the correct person. Now that we've covered some practical tips for sending remittances, let's shift focus to the receiving side of things. Whether you're picking up cash at a location or receiving funds directly to your bank account or mobile wallet, there are a few important steps you can take to ensure that the process goes smoothly. Here are some tips to help you receive your remittances safely and efficiently. First, have proper identification. Ensure you have a valid form of ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card, and your TRN. Secondly, ensure you have your tracking number or transaction number. Thirdly, ensure you know who is sending you money, as well as their general location. Lastly, there is a direct-to-bank option, so set it up. All you have to do is ensure that your sender selects the direct-to-bank option and you, the receiver, completes an authorization form. This option is seamless and convenient for both the receiver and sender. Now, after you have received or before you send remittances, ensure that you're taking a moment to relax and think about saving or investing a portion of it. It doesn't have to be a lot. Just setting aside a small portion can give you a sense of security and help you feel more at ease about the future. Savings gives you a safety net for unexpected situations, and investing, even in something simple, can help your money grow over time. It's all about balance, so you can still enjoy the present while making sure you're building something for tomorrow without the stress. As the holidays approach, remember that sending remittances is about more than just money. It's about connection, care, and continuing traditions that makes the season special. By following the tips we share today, you can make sure that your financial support reaches your loved ones in a timely and cost-effective way. At VM Money Transfer, we are committed to helping you receive and send money safely and efficiently, ensuring that the distance between you and your family does not diminish the warmth of your holiday spirit. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Financial Fridays. Be sure to tune in next month for more tips on how to navigate your financial journey with confidence. To get started with VM and for support on your journey, call 876-754-VMBS, 876-754-8627, or email manager@myvmgroup.com. It has been my pleasure to be a part of this wonderful series. I am Sophia Williams. Take care.